So look, listen, if you're listening to this, if you're watching this, motivation is going to come and go. Okay. There are going to be days that we're like, let's go. New me, new year. It's January 1st. I'm ready to get up. Let's go. Then boom, January 10th comes. It's cold. It's snowing. You're over this. You're over eating healthy. You're over going to the gym. You're over going doing this cardio. That is when discipline comes in. You need to build discipline. Discipline over motivation, right? Discipline needs to be your foundation. Motivation needs to be almost like a supplement. Will motivation help you? Absolutely. Motivation will help you. Motivation will get you through those tough times, but it's not something you can absolutely rely on every single time because motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a habit. Discipline is more towards your character, making the decision like, I don't want to go do cardio this morning. I don't feel like doing cardio, but you know what? I'm going to go do it because I'm staying disciplined. How do you stay disciplined? Remember your why. What is your why? Why are you doing this? Are you doing this for yourself? Are you doing this for your kids? Are you doing this for your husband? Are you doing this for your wife? Whatever that may be. Find your why. For me, my why has changed over these 8 years. Because I didn't have kids, I just had kids over the last couple of years. But when I first started, my why was completely different. And now it's completely shifted to my kids. I want to show my kids the importance of being healthy, the importance of eating the right foods. I want to be able to play with my kids. I want to be able to go run with my kids. My kids are literally a ball of energy. I don't want to be that parent that's like, oh, I see you, sit down. I can't, Miha, I can't go play with you, Miha. I can't go outside. I'm tired. I don't want to do that. I want to be able to be there for my kids, play with my kids, run around with my kids. And that is my why. So when I have those moments that I don't want to go to the gym, I don't want to eat healthy, I remember why I'm doing this. And so finding your why is very important. It's going to help motivate you, but also making these decisions every day to do what you need to do to build that discipline. So when those days come that you're not motivated, doesn't matter. You're going to the gym because you know what you need to do.